In this guide, we are going over the time of day blueprint locations here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, we have a little bit of a drive that we need to go ahead and make our way over to. But starting off at the life pod about 200 meters away, you need to actually make your way over to the second angel comb as well as the alien power plant. This is just in the general direction of about East 105. It is kind of a long drive, but you just need to head straight in that direction. That being said, you will pass through multiple different biomes, including the heat biome, which of course you may need that heat adaptation for. And you will also pass by multiple leviathans as well, specifically that collector leviathan, unless you kind of venture off into the void right there as well, which I'm actually staying away from, kind of staying perfectly on the edge actually. But yeah, just make your way over to the alien base. We'll catch up as soon as we get there and I'll show you guys my coordinates. So here's our boy, the collector leviathan, by the way. So try and stay away from him. He likes these ships, so just keep that in mind. Now, once you get near the alien power plant itself, you're going to see this giant alien tower right here. And I'll pause so you guys can see my current coordinates down in the bottom right. Once you see this, you need to actually look around this area towards the edge, once again, kind of closer to the power plant. And you're going to see this giant, weird looking statue over here. You need to make your way over to this statue. And I'm just going to hop in this real quick and just fling myself over there. I love those things. They're very convenient. But make your way over to this location right here. Once again, I'll pause so you guys can see my exact coordinates down in the bottom right. Once you're here, though, get out of your vehicle and make your way over to this thing right here. I actually wonder what this is. Can I scan this? Nope. Doesn't matter because the time of day display is going to be in this exact area. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. If we could help you out further, I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.